Hi everyone, welcome to my Akka class channel. Today I am writing make sentences. Let's see how to make sentences. First one, happy. She looks very happy. Second one, play. Children love to play. Third word is clean. Clean hands keep us safe. Fourth word is brave. Be brave and try again. Fifth one is smart. Smart students study daily. Sixth one, big. This bag is too big. Seventh one, small. The ant is small. Eighth one, fast. The train is fast. Ninth one, slow. The tortoise moves slow. Please like and subscribe my channel and press bell icon to get all my videos. Tenth line, kind. Be kind to others. I hope this video will help you all to make sentences. Eleventh one, strong. Exercise makes us strong. Twelfth one, bright. The sun is bright. Thirteenth one, cute. The puppy is cute. Fourteenth one, funny. That joke was funny. Fifteenth one, sweet. Mango is sweet. Sixteenth one, tall. The giraffe is tall. Seventeenth one, short. The story is short. Hot. The tea is hot. Nineteenth one, young. He is a young boy. 20th. Old. I found an old coin. Cold. The water is cold. Dark. The room is dark. Next one. Good. You did a good job. Twenty-fourth. Bad. Laying is a bad habit. Twenty-fifth. Easy. This question is easy. Twenty-sixth. Hard. The test was hard. Next word. Quiet. Be quiet in class. Loud. Don't speak loud. Twenty-nine. Busy. Mom is busy today. Thirtieth. Free. I am free now. Thank you for watching video. Please share and subscribe my channel.